karibu sana. Tuna seneta wetu, sijui kama amefika, lakini tunakaribisha yeye. Kanisa wa ACK wale wanaongoza ibada ya leo, mabishops, wachungaji wote na pastors wote, karibuni. Seneta wetu tunakaribisha, MP wetu wote wale wako hapa tunawakaribisha, MCs wote, wageni wote tunawakaribisha. Na kwa hivyo mimi kwa niaba ya hapo nitaongea kwa lugha ya kwetu, Kichaina ya kwetu hapa Katanga. Bwana asifiwe. Mbere nyambe ndimucokerie ngatho inyuothe mukite nigetha gucaka hamwe na ithuĩ bari ya Githongo, na ngiuga ũguo gũkũ tũrĩ nĩkuo gwĩtagwo Gatanga village, Gatanga location, Gatanga sub county na Murang'a county. Koguo ngimunyita ũgeni ngumwĩra gũkũ nĩ Gatanga na mũigue mũrĩ mũciĩ gwĩta bari ya Githongo. Ithuĩ kana Lizz ũguo rũgano rwa thomo ndikwenda gũcokera, njuge ithuĩ bari itũ gwĩtagwo bari ya Andu kuma gũkũ Gatanga, na bari ya Andu nĩ nene tugacoka oroho ithuĩ Githaku kana Githaku na Gĩkũyũ nĩ bari ya Githongo. Gwenda kuga nĩ wega nĩ ũndũ wa macio mothe mahanĩkĩte, tondũ Ngai na ndoragio kĩũria, Ngai ekaga ũrĩa ekwenda. Gĩtua kwaria njuge maũndũ macio mario hau kana rũgano rũu rwerio ruothe niĩ ndarwĩkĩra mũkonde, tondũ Lizz niĩ hakwa na brother ũyũ ũrũgamĩte haha mwana maingĩ, Lizz nĩwe ũtũrerete na Leco ndiĩkane haha niwe ũtũrerete tũrĩ andũ anini, tũrĩ anake. Na niĩ Lizz twarutanirie nake kũmenyana 1979, ũguo nĩ anderete, nĩ atwanĩte naniĩ ngatuĩka mũthuri na agatuĩka ũguo ndari. Bwana asifiwe. Ũndũ ũcio ũngĩ nĩ atĩrĩrĩ, Lizz nĩ mwega, Lizz maũndũ mothe ararĩ mwega, na kwaria ũhoro wa gĩcagi tondũ gũkũ nĩkuo gũkĩrĩ gwitũ. Arĩa othe manathiĩ kwĩ Lizz, niĩ ndĩ brother ya mbũrũ, tũtarĩ atũcokie na thutha kana agatuonia matharau, ona ndarĩ atuĩka ũndũ mũũru. Akorwo nĩ ũrĩa mũndũ etuaga mũnene, twĩ hamwe tũrakoragwo na family, na ara nĩ njega nĩ ũguo, nĩ aratũhete gĩtĩo mũno. Koguo na ndũngiuga niĩ nĩ kũmaka rĩrĩa ndona rũgano ngaiga haia no ũrĩa tũraragia nake. Koguo Ngai wa muoyo amwĩke wega na mwĩre handũ wega kũu matu-inĩ. Haya, ũcio ũngĩ nĩ atĩ thĩinĩ wa Gatanga Lizz oĩo ũhoro ũcio wa nakũu, na ningĩ siasa-inĩ nĩ ekaga siasa, nĩ tondũ Lizz Wanyoike ũcio arĩ brother witũ, Lizz nĩ amũteithagia gwĩka siasa, na Lizz nĩ athiaga ona kũnene mũno, ũguo rũgano rũu rwandĩkĩtwo, na nĩ endete gũthiĩ mũno na kwaria na andũ. Wa kerĩ nĩ endete kũingĩrana mũno na andũ. Family itũ nĩyorerwo nĩ mũtumia wa bata, no tũkiuge atĩrĩrĩ, Ngai ekaga kwenda gwake. Ngĩtiga njuge atĩrĩrĩ, ithuĩ nĩ twatigwo na ciana ciake nĩ ciatigwo, ciana ciake ikorwo ciĩ hamwe, twame hamwe na family ĩrĩa ĩngĩ inyuothe hamwe na mũtũkie Lizz oro toguo kiugo gĩkĩ kĩarĩkia haha. Ngai wa muoyo mũrathime na mwĩke wega, na ithuĩ ta family tũgethe wega nĩ ũndũ wa gũka gũcakaya hamwe na ithuĩ twĩna kĩrĩro na maithori, tondũ gũtirĩ ũndũ tũngĩka. Ngai amũrathime na mwĩke wega tũkĩnyitanĩra. Rĩtwa ondinagweta njĩtagwo David Kimani wa Kariuki, na Jesu nĩ mũhonokia wa ngoro yakwa. Bwana asifiwe.
Asante. Na mgeni nyote murega. Kwa majina naitwa Joseph Kirago Kariuki. Na vile mnasikia from that eulogy, Lizz was born of Naomi and Peterson Wanyoike. So I'm here to represent the Wanyoike family. I'll be very brief because mine is just to convey my deepest condolences to the family of Wanyoikes, especially Tony, Kiki, and Stella. They are the one who's going to be hit hard, but still hard. All will be well. Then also to thank the people. Thank you all people. We will never get tired of thanking you. From day one, you've supported us. From the day on Sunday when the news broke out, our phones were full of people condoling with us and giving messages of sympathy. We've been having prayer meetings every day, and we've been turning up in large numbers to console the family, and we're so grateful for that. Thank you. So Lizz to me was not just a sister, she was a mother. She took me in when I was very young, me and my sister, to go and stay with her. That was almost 50 years ago, and since then we've been with her. And she was a kind woman. I don't know how to express it because it is known. I don't want to give a testimony about her because her friends and her associates will come here and do that. You know, it is not good to hear a testimony from a family member because I will stand here and start saying all the sweet things about her. But her friends know her and they can tell you the bad things and the good things about her. And I'm sure there will be no bad things that will be told about her. She was a great lady. She never forgot the church, even after she moved to Nairobi. She always communicated with her local church, that is ACK St. Joseph Catholic Church. She worshipped there. She assisted in very many projects, and I'm sure my vicar is here, he can attest to that. Mr. Solomon, although he's very new to our parish, he might not know her very well. And she really supported that church to bring it up to where it is. She was kind. I'll keep repeating, she was kind and caring. And in addition to the mother love and advice, she also gave us financial support. And Lizzie will never give you cash money. I think the most money I've ever gotten from her is 100 shillings. And that was for pocket money when I was going to school. She will never give you money. But she will ask you, what is your problem? You tell her, I have a project. I want to do this and this. So she will tell you, okay, 20. You think now she's taking you to the bank to give you money. She takes you to the manager, because she was in very good terms with the managers, equity and finance. And then she will tell you, what you wanted to tell me, tell this lady. Then you say, I want this project, I want this much money. But I was expecting my sister to give it to me. In any case, what happened now, we are going to give you a loan. That project, if you want to buy a vehicle, you make sure you bring that logbook, stay in this bank, take your car, go and do business, be paying and getting a profit from there. And we all excuse me, we all benefited from that because that is how she was. She was a really good woman. My mom was finishing. Because if I give my own testimony, I think when I got married in the 1990s, I became homeless. Because once you get married, you cannot stay, I won't stay with her anymore. She chased me out. Okay, I'm not chasing me out, actually, yes. It was actually automatic, I had to move out. So I struggled looking for houses, one bedrooms, bed-sitters with my wife, until one day I said, no, I'm going to approach my sister. So I told her, please tell me, you know this bank. Because those days in the 1990s, you couldn't just walk into the bank and get a mortgage the way you do now. Nowadays, getting loans are that much easier. You had to know somebody. So she told me, why do you want to take a mortgage? Let me see your payslip. I showed her. How are you going to pay a mortgage with this kind of money? She told me, you can't. But I'm going to help you. I have a house in South Sea, which I'm renting, and I'm really getting problems with the tenants. How much money do you have? I told her. She told me, bring it. That is a deposit for that house. That house is yours, but you have to complete payment because we wrote an agreement of how much money that there was a market value of that house. Pay me every time you get something, paying it. I ended up paying that house after 20 years. In fact, stand up in a test back because the house was in her name. That is how good she was. She was like, I'm finishing. A disciplinarian. Younger didn't know people in school. If you're staying with her, you have property to her rooms. I was staying in her house. You make a mistake of coming home after or late, you sleep outside. Lucky for us, there used to be a servants' quarters up on next. So there was one unoccupied room. We normally used to come. Once the refused to enter, you go and sleep there. Many a times I slept there. I think it became an aunt. I don't know how control Yazana, of course. It was very young. Yeah, so I slept there many times, and I put the blame squarely on my wife. Because those are the days when we were dating. And when I was taking her for a movie, we ended up in the carnival. I come home late, I'm locked outside. So, but it was all in good order because after I told her that I've been sleeping outside because of you, she agreed to marry me. I think that was the only way she could show her sympathy. Yeah, so I think our friend there, our sister, rest in peace, we love you so much. We love you so much, and I'm sure there are people who will come here and attest to that. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you very much.